and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through a feature called Employee Tips, and this allows you to give permission for your employees to receive tips directly from the customer to their Venmo account. That way it doesn't touch your account at all. You don't have to worry about the tax implication. Your employee can take care of that on their side. So let's go here to Plus Control Panel and click Employee Center, and we see our tech profiles load. Now you can select whichever technician you want. If you are enacting tips, you want to make sure to do this on each account that you'd like to be able to receive a tip. So let's go to Employee Permissions. We'll scroll down and we see this option here, allow customers to tip employee from their email door hanger. This will go directly to the employee's Venmo and not touch your account. So we select this on and your technician is going to receive a text message to set up this feature. They'll go through and add their Venmo URL to the link in the text message to set up tips to be received. We'll take a look at what the technician sees and what the customer will see. Okay, so now we can see the text message that our employee received, and it simply says the tips have been activated. We can add our Venmo URL to receive tips, and we'll go ahead and click the link to be taken over to this web page here where we'll add the URL and save it. Now, if you don't know where to find that URL, click the Need Help button here below and it will take you to our help page to walk you through the steps. So simply all they'll do is go to their Venmo account, they'll click on their profile, and then they'll click Venmo Me, click the share button, copy the link, and then paste it into that web page, and they'll save the link and they'll be good to go from there. So that's what it's going to look like from your technician side. If they have any questions, then feel free to reach out to our support team as well. Now let's take a look at what it's going to look like from the customer side. Okay, and here we are at the door hanger. We see here we have a button that sends a tip to the technician. Note, if the technician does not complete the URL, this does not show up. So they do have to complete it on their side in order for this to be available to the customer. The customer can see their technician down here as well so that they know who they're sending it to, and they'll click this button and it's going to take them over and show them the profile of the technician's Venmo, and they can send money that way. All right, so that's how to use the employee tip feature. If you do have any questions about us, let us know, but this is a great feature to use with the upcoming holiday season, so make sure to keep that in mind. All right, thank you.